need some shrimp. There's half a clove of garlic I've minced up in my mini pestle mortar with some salt. You need some 2 shallots. I've got 6 sliced up bird's eye chilies, both red and green. About 10 cherry tomatoes. And some sliced up oyster mushroom. Got some sugar. Got some nam prick pao, that's the roasted chili jam with shrimp paste. Some nam pla, which is fish sauce. We've got the Thai trinity of herbs here, which are kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and galangal. Got the juice of 2 limes here. Good handful of coriander. And some of that Thai sweet basil. Now, that's optional, you don't have to add it, but it does add some additional fragrance. Plus, I wanted to use it up. Now, look at these. I didn't go for the standard prawns. These are Vietnamese tiger prawns. They cost quite a bit. Now, you can't use the small prawns for this. You need to go for these big ones. It's commonplace in Thailand, and also traditionally, it's served with the head on. Right, I'm gonna prepare the prawns here. What I'll do first is I'm just gonna remove the legs. Right, keep the tails on the carapace and the heads. Now, remove the heads. Oh, bad start. Yeah, remove the heads, but don't throw them away. Because there's like a lot of juice in there that adds additional flavour. Now I'm going to check the carapace here, like just going to cut it and make sure there's none of that, you know, veiny gunk in there, because you don't want to be eating that. Right, so is there any in there? Any in there? Check. Nope, this one's fine. Repeat the process. Gave the shrimps an additional wash, and just remember, keep the heads. Got a saucepan with some chicken stock in there. Just gonna bring it up to the boil here. Right, stock all boiling. I'm gonna add in the herbs now. Now, just so you know, you don't eat the herbs. It's the Thai trinity. That's what adds the flavour to it. So I'm gonna let them like infuse and hold on, I forgot this. Yeah, I'm gonna add in the shrimp heads. Just let them yeah, simmer. There's a powerful citrusy aroma being emitted there from the Thai trinity in there. Gonna add in the minced up garlic. I'll add in the shallots and chilies. Gonna add in my shrimps as well. So these are big shrimp, these all take a bit longer. That's been cooking for like 5 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna add in the tomatoes and the mushrooms. Gonna add in the nam prick pao, a good bunch. Now this is gonna like give some coloration to the tom yum. Actually, it needs some more namprick bao. Now, you notice there's these red oily droplets there. It's from the namprick bao. It's like it's gonna give it some colour here. I'll add in a bit more actually, just for the sake of colour. Yes, look at that colour. I'm gonna add in the basil. Oh, basil! It's unbelievable. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat now. Okay, time for a taste test. Right, we've got a very neutral soup here. It's spicy, right? We want that. But YUM GOONG is not about being spicy. There's balance to it. It needs to be spicy, sour, and salty. This is why we left the other ingredients for last. So, lime juice in. Some nampla. Yeah. Just need some sugar to balance that out. This is okay. Well, some people may require more lime juice or more fish sauce, but you know, to each his own. I'm actually quite satisfied with the way things have turned out here. Clean up that mess there. Garnish liberally with coriander. And don't let these go to waste. Adds a nice bit of decoration. But don't eat them. So I mark. Okay, time for a taste test here. Right. Wow. Oh, just when I thought I was heading to disaster, this is actually brilliant. And it's perfect for this time of year. A little cold. No, but in Thailand, YUM GOONG is like the go-to thing. I can never refuse it. I'm gonna try some of them prawns now. Now in Thailand, right, they're always served with the carapace on. Don't be afraid to get your hands messy. Yeah. All right. Take that up. Oh wow. Oh. Feel like I'm back there. Yeah. Wow. You know, in Thailand, right, like, or any Thai restaurant here, tom yum, when you're ordering it for like a group of people, it's served in this like, it's real awesome, like, you know, kind of, I don't know what they call it, some sort of colander. It's got like a candle in the middle to keep it like, you know, hot. I just love that. I mean, I forgot to get one while I was there. To me, right, this is the best soup in the world. Now, look, anyone else can like, you know, judge me on that, but to me, this is number one. All right. When it comes to Thai food, this is a winner. When it comes to the soups or anything, YUM GOONG, it rocks. Sawadee Krap.